uDAB allows to integrate digital radio in your car by connecting it to the car socket while maintaining all USB functions and with real-time audio. Kit contains uDAB module, T-harness, USB rec adapter, USB COM adapter, services button, fixing Velcro strips and plastic ties. DAB antenna is not included in the sales kit, but you can buy it separately. Let's install the system, as example, on a Toyota Yaris of 2018. First of all, please disconnect the car battery. Then, remove the car radio frame, using extraction tools and taking care not to damage the surfaces. Please also remove the radio block and the support frame. Once identified power supply and speakers radio connectors, please connect T-harness, USB COM and USB rec adapters to the appropriate connectors of the radio. Now, please attach the DAB antenna to the car windshield, as described in the instructions guide. Then, connect T-harness and adapters to the appropriate connectors and the DAB antenna to the SMB socket of the module. Now, please place uDAB module in a suitable location, replace the radio block. Please place the services button in a convenient and accessible place. We recommend near the radio block. And reconnect the car battery. Installation is done. Let's configure the system. First of all, please turn on the radio. In the main menu, please select the voice media and then USB source. The first available digital radio station will start playing.
Una grande cerimonia di apertura, 4 grandi mostre, 50 produzioni culturali originali.
In the voice folders, it will be displayed a list of the various muxes available in the signal coverage area. By selecting a station of interest, you can listen it immediately.
2 giorni ci hanno messo, no? A me è successo
perché secondo me hanno messo le bici su una zattera, si sono messi sulla riva del fiume ad aspettare il cadavere della bicicletta.
Certo, a me è successo quello che è
By
successo a Gianni
pressing
da
service
Torino.
button, you can directly manage USB pen
È
functions.
successo a me. Ho perso la ruota.
Playing will start in a very short time.